2008 Infiniti G35 3.5 liter V6. Still got the stock factory converters right there and right there. Then it's single, then it's Y's back into a single, then Y's back into a dual. Two resonators right there, right there. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. We tried to sell him some new tips, but he would not go for it. He said he'll come back, so we'll see. And there's the two mufflers, the stock mufflers, right there and right there. I think he'll be back in a week to put new tips on it. I just have that feeling. But anyways, we'll let you guys hear in a minute. It put a smile on his face, so he's happy. Am I happy? No. Should have 5-inch tips and straight piped all the way back. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. I think they should be. He's not going to listen to me. You going to listen to me? Huh? He might. Huh? He'll be back in a week. Let's see. If you guys see it in a week or so after. Right. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Try that again. That's the customer, by the way, of the vehicle, because you guys think that we like do that. We don't do that. Again. I like it. Needs to be louder. Resonators next.